I gotta do is put my mind to this shit. Goddamn. Cancel out my ex, I put a line through that bitch. I like all my S's with 2 lines through them.
Hey, is that Bro Call Me Tommy? Did Bro Call Me Tommy just make another video? Did Bro Call Me Tommy just upload right now? Wait. Yes, you're right, it's me. I haven't been on here for a while. It's been 4 years since I made a new video. And I thought I'd be back. I think the world needs me again. It's been going bad, you know, all that stuff, all that drama that's been going on. I think you guys need me again. And this isn't a challenge video, this isn't a prank video, this isn't like my regular videos, this isn't a spiritual video, this is none of that. This is about fish tanks. I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean fish tanks, or about the aquarium hobby, the fish tank hobby, the fish hobby. I'll show you guys how to get this done, how to clean the tank. So let's get to it. You guys better cut me some slack. It's been 4 years since I made a video, so cut me some slack, alright? So first things first is make sure you wash your hands. I already washed my hands beforehand. Make sure you wash it thoroughly, make sure they're clean. Wash it with soap and make sure you wash your hands thoroughly, get all that soap off, because you don't want no soap traces on your hands when you're cleaning the tank. So first thing first, make sure you have a towel. Don't get a towel that you use shower with. Get a towel that you're never going to use. Make it for the fish stuff, everything if you want. That's if you're not careful. Usually I'm very careful. So first you want to start out with getting your lighting off. Put it to the side. You want to take your lid off. You don't want to spill water like I just. I'm also going to show you guys how to clean that tank. I'll show you guys. Alright, so we got a 10 gallon and a 20 gallon. So let's get this thing started. Alright, first you want to start out with taking off the decor. Take all the decor out. And never use tap water to clean your decor, because all the beneficial bacteria that is on it, you're going to kill them. So you don't want to do that. I'll show you guys how you have to clean that. So don't skip the video. Keep watching. So this is going to be a pretty long video. I'm going to try and make it under 10 minutes probably. So yeah. I don't know who's watching this. I'm probably just talking to myself right now. You know, it's been 4 years. I don't know who's going to watch this, to be honest, but so you just take all that out, and then dry your hands. Cut. Alright guys, I had to cut the other part out because I kind of messed up, I'm being honest. So you want to make sure you have this algae scraper, because you want to scrape all the algae off the tank. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's algae on the tank and you want to take all that off. It doesn't kill the fish, but in large amounts it doesn't look nice in the tank, and it could be harmful in large amounts. So you just want to scrape it off. Take on all the glass, scrape it off. Trust me, algae on the glass does not look nice. It doesn't look appealing to the eye. Trust. And so after that, you got all the algae off. Get your scraper and then squeeze it back into the water. And then you want to get your siphon, put it in the water, siphon out the water again. And then all you want to do is hover over the gravel or sand, whatever you're using for substrate. And you don't want to dig into the gravel. All you want to do is get rid of all that waste. Do it fast because water drains fast. Now once you look like you're at 25% around here, you're done with that water change. You're done. That way you get your decor, you wash it in the water that you just took out of the tank. You just get all that algae off, get it all off. You don't want it there. If you have a decor like this that has a hollow inside and you're trying to put it into the tank and you're getting confused because it keeps floating back up, the main reason why it's floating back up is because there's air bubbles inside the decor. So all you really want to do is put it inside the tank and then do this, tilt it. You see all those bubbles? You want all those bubbles out, and then after that, it stays where you want it. And every time you clean the tank, you want to move the decor into different places in the tank, because you don't want the tank to be boring for the fish or whatever you put in your tank. You want them to be able to explore in areas of the tank. You want to make it new. You don't want them to get bored. And bettas, if you're getting a betta, they thrive in a 10 gallon. You don't really need to put them in anything bigger than a 10 gallon because they'll thrive in a 10 gallon. And so after that, just do the same thing with all your decor, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, once you have all that water out, change the water, put more water in it, but don't pour it right away. Alright guys, once you have your water, don't pour it in the tank because it's tap water. You need to condition the water. So I'd recommend you could use Stress Coat because it makes tap water safe. It removes chlorine and chloramine. It detoxifies heavy metals. Or you could use Aquasafe by Tetra. It does the same thing. This one just has it has the healing power of aloe vera, and it reduces fish stress and it replaces their slime coat if you're transporting fish into the tank. But you could use either one of these. You want to pour half of this in there. You pour half. Remember, you gotta condition the water before you put it in there because it makes it more safe. After you do that, you just want to mix it around a little bit. Once you do that, put it into the tank. But remember, after you do that, you want to pour it into the tank. We're going to pour it slowly. Don't want to just pour it all in there right away. So you want to pour it in there slow to not stress out your fish. You could fill it all the way. Personally, with a betta, I don't like to fill it all the way to the top because they do breathe air to their labyrinth organs. So they breathe air. So they go up to the surface and they'll take a gulp of air. Sometimes you'll notice them, they go up to get air because they breathe air. So after that, just like that, you're done. You're done with your tank. You cleaned your tank, and it's that easy. All right, now let's move on to the 20-gallon tank. I have my Axolotl in there. I do want to do the same process actually. So put your towel that you're using to put the Aquarium on. Open the lid, and then you want to do the same process. You want to take this out. You don't want to have algae build up. You don't have the algae in it. Just get a little scrape off. It's the same process. You want to get all that gunk out. Remember, you don't want to go all the way over the water. You don't want to go all the way over the sand. You just want to get all that gunk out of the tank. Because then you don't want to siphon sand. You don't want the sand to go where it doesn't have to. You want to get all that muck. Get all that muck out. Do a 25% change on this one as well. That's all that's necessary. Get all that gunk, get all that dirty stuff. You know what I mean? Get it all out. Remember, on here you want to go up to around roughly to like right here. Get your decor and clean it. Make sure it has no aloe vera or plant related ingredients in the water conditioner because it's harmful for the axolotl. You want to fill this one all the way to the top because this isn't 10 gallons, this is 20 gallons. So you want to make sure it gets conditioned right. Up a little bit, good condition. Mix it up, mix it up. What you want to do is get a cup, and then pour it in slowly. After you do that, you take your bucket and you can pour it in like this. Slowly. Remember, slowly. Nice and steady. After that, we're done, guys. You just learned how to clean a tank. I hope after this video you know how to do it now. And see, once you're done, it should look like this. Neat bolt. He's just chilling in there. You see, he's happy. He got the clean tank. He's pretty happy now. So yeah, you guys will see him grow throughout the months. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know. And this is how the tank ends up looking. If you have a 10-gallon, this is how it will look for the betta. Personally, I like to leave a little bit of water right here, not all the way to the full, because as I said, they do breathe air, so you want them to be able to breathe. And that's good. See? And he's happy. The water will clear up. It's done. You cleaned the tank. You know how to clean tanks now. And there you go. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys have a good one. And here's a bolt. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned how to clean the tank if you have some tanks. If you're trying to get into the hobby, I will teach you guys more stuff. If you want to see more videos like this, like the video, comment down that you want more videos like this, and I will be back. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now you know how to clean a fish tank. See you guys, and until next time. I know it's been 4 years. don't want to talk too much. You guys don't remember me probably. I'm 21 years old now. I'm not 16. I'm not 17 years old anymore. I am 21 years old. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and that's the end of the video. Yeah, I don't know, man. I haven't done stuff like this in a while, guys. So don't judge me, all right? It's been a while. I also forgot to mention, make sure you clean your hands right after. All right, see you guys.